How to fix Instagram not loading. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as Instagram needs a stable connection to load content. You can also try to enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then disable it again and see if that helps. If not, then you can simply try to restart the Instagram application. So swipe up on your screen and the app switcher will appear. Close the Instagram app there and then reopen the app, and this will fix temporary glitches that can stop Instagram from loading. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app, as outdated apps often cause loading issues. See if that helps, and if not, then open Instagram and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and then log in again, and this will refresh your account session and will fix loading bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then on your home screen tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Once reinstalled, see if that helps, and if not, then it also could be that Instagram server is low, so you can simply try to wait for a few minutes or hours and wait for the server to work just fine. Also, make sure that you have enough storage space and you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPN can block Instagram server and low storage can stop apps from working properly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram not loading. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.